Okay, Braxton. There you are, you handsome devil. So we started yesterday. We actually ran out of time. So I'm going to start with the last thing that we did. Okay. We did some of these. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Do you like these?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I forgot that squishy thing was under there. All right. Here we go. You have 6 here. I gotta get better at hiding this, don't I? Some more there. Now you have 10.
3.
Try again. You have 6 here and some more here.
4.
How'd you know?
Because I know, because 6, and then how many is down, I count.
Okay. Did you get it right?
Yeah.
You did. And I didn't even show you the answer. 10. I added more to get to 15. Start with 10 and I get to 15.
5.
How did you do that? I saw you doing this.
Because I knew there was 10, so I counted. I was like 11, 12, 13, 14.
It reminds me of what we were working on when we were counting like this, and you were like, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's start at
I kind of think it's fun.
18. 18, and I'm adding more to get to 21. Can you show us what you're doing and talk out loud?
18, 19.
We started with 18, yep.
19, 17, 16.
You're counting backwards. Hold on. We started at 18 and we got to 21.
I still want to count back.
Well, what if you started at 21 and count back to 18? So you
22.
Let's see. All right, I know this doesn't have 21 on it, but you're at 18. And you need to get to 21, right? So how many is that?
19.
1. Okay, 19, 20, 21. You need to go 3 more to get to 21, don't you?
Yes, so 3.
So you could say 18, 19, 20, 21. Or if you wanted to count back, you could say 21, 20, 19, 18. You had to count back 3 to get to 18. All right. Let's see if you can count back to solve like a kind of simpler one, okay? So start with 5. I'm going to add some to get to 7. Nope. I'm going to start with 5, go to 7. So say 7 and count back to get to 5. 7.
Why can't I just do what I was doing?
Okay. You're right. You should do what you were doing. So we had 7, now we have 9. No, I'm sorry. We had 5, and now we have 7. I mixed up. 5, and we now have 7 altogether.
2.
12. I'm going to take away some. I had 12. I took away a few. Now I only have 9 here.
Two more. You took 2.
2 away. Now look. 3 away. So I had 2. Let's try another one. Let's start with 6. I'm going to start with 6. Now I'm going to take away a few. How bad I am. Start with 6. I took away some. Now I only have 3.
3.
So I took away 3?
Yeah.
Good job. Now I'm going to start with 7.
Because of the 3 over there. And then
Let's start with 7. I started with 7. I took some away. Now I only have 6.
1.
So you said 7. You put 7 up, and then you took 1 away. So it's 6. Okay.
It's gonna storm.
It's very windy out. I didn't know it was going to do that. Right now I have 11. Okay. Yeah. That's hard to do on our hands. 11. It takes them away. Now I only have 9. I had 11. I took some away, and I only have 9. So you're doing this. How many did you take away?
You took away 2.
How did you know?
I don't know.
Now we have 13. I'm going to take some away, but not that one. Back in there. I had 13. I took some away, and now I have 10.
Oops. How many was?
I started with 13. I took 3 away. I just messed it up. Let's try it again.
Why
I have
can't
5.
get an answer?
I didn't need to. I have 5 here. I took some away. Now I have 2. Can you do it without your fingers? I have 5 here. I took some away. Now I have 2. You can use your hand if you need to.
3.
How'd you know?
Because I kinda. I don't know.
Took 3 away. All right. I have.
Look,
This will be our last
some
one.
I
I have
kinda-
6 here.
I
Take
might
some
have
away.
to-
That's okay. I have 6. I took some away. Now I have 4.
Two.
Yeah. Look. We're getting this. All right. Eat a snack while I get our next activity ready. Have you voted in penny boars?
No, I keep on forgetting how to bring them. Does that thing still work after?
Yes, and it says, I can't see very well. Let's get up and look at it when we are done, okay? These.
Weren't you gonna send a note to my mom?
I was. Did you tell your mom what you've been doing?
Yeah.
I just need one more set of cards. Ooh, then maybe we can play some slapjack. Did you tell your mom you like what we're doing, or
Yeah.
tell her how mean I am?
Hmm?
Yeah, I do need to. Maybe I'll try to do that today when I send you back. All right, I'm gonna flash these at you. You tell me what you see. Ready? How many did you see?
Wait. 4.
How did you see it? What did you notice?
Because I knew there was 3, and then I added 1 more.
Yep.
So 4.
Ooh, I like this one. Ready? So what did you see on that one?
So I knew there was 2, and then I added 1 more, 2 more.
So you saw two, 1 more, and 2 more? Something like, or 2, 1 more, and 2 more?
I was like, so, because I knew there was 3, and then I added 2 more.
I see. 3 and 2 more. Okay. Are you ready?
2.
You just knew that one. All right, ready?
3.
Okay, party pants.
4.
How did you know?
Because I knew 2 was 4.
Did you count them?
Yeah. In my head, really. 5.
How'd you see it?
Because I knew there was 3, and then I added 2.
2 more. Did you go 3, 4, 5, or did you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I was like 1, 2, 3, 1, 5.
Ooh, this might be one of your favorites.
6.
How do you know?
Because I know 3.
You love that one. Oh,
1.
did you have to count that one?
No.
All right, ready?
I'm going to have to show me that one more
Ready?
time. 6.
How'd you see it? Did you see 4?
That was like 4, and then I added 2 more. And then 6.
Ooh, okay, that one is 6. Then I want you to think about what this one is.
9.
Careful. But this one is 6. Okay, ready?
7.
Because you see 3 and 3 is 6, and then just 1 more, right?
2.
That's horrible, awful.
7.
What did you see? Or did you remember it?
I remembered it. 5.
Yep. All right, now. Remember that 6 is 3 and 3. 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. See if you can figure out what this one is. What did you see?
7.
What did you see? Did you see 3 on top?
I was like, Because I counted 3, and then I counted those 2, and then I counted 3 more.
What if you said 3 and 3? See the 6? And then 2 more? 6.
8.
Oh dear.
7.
What did you see? What did you see first?
I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's funny because I was talking to a group about this yesterday, and when I first looked at it, saw this 4. And then the other ones, they went, there's 4. Is that what you did?
Yeah, I was like
4,
1, 2,
and then
3,
these more.
4, 5, 6, 7. I said carpool every day.
They do. Every day. Let's take a look at these cards. What do you notice about this?
We only have 5.
There's 5. It's not a 10 frame, is it? It's a 5 frame. All right. If you know that, then how many are on this card altogether? Are there still 5?
Yeah.
But what do you see?
But there's
And
4 blues and 1 red.
all right, let's see if you can figure out this one quick.
2 reds and 3 blues.
How many altogether?
4.
Are there still 5? Is it full?
5, 5. 2 reds and 3 reds. And then 5 altogether. 1 red.
If you want,
I
you can
know,
show me with
one
your
blue,
fingers, like
one
this and
blue.
this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the colors. So what do you see on here?
1
And 4. 1 and 4. Okay. How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? Okay, if there's 1 here, we know there's 5 altogether. How many empty spaces are there then? Yeah, 1 and then 4 empty spaces, right? Because if you've got 5 and you take away that 1 that's filled, awesome. You notice that part. All right, ready? Show me how many dots you see. And then how many empty spaces? There you go. And how many altogether then? 3 and 2 is?
5.
All right, ready? And then, oh, give me 5. All right, ready? You want to go through them one more time? I'll mix them all up. There'll be empty ones. There'll be ones with red in it. You never know what you're going to get in this one. And then we'll play a quick slapjack, okay? And how many extra? There you go. You need 3 more, right? Ready? How many blue?
3 and 1 blank spot.
Because 4
4
and 1 is...
5.
All right. How many dots would you need to fill this up? Ready? How many altogether?
5.
How many would you need to fill it up?
0.
You got it. Oh gosh, I'm glad you didn't bend over so fast. We would have bumped heads, and it would have been on tape. It was almost the same, wasn't it? What's the difference? There is no difference. All right, ready?
They're the same.
How many altogether? 2 and 3 is... Did I get it right? How many altogether?
5.
How many do you need to fill it up? Yeah. And how many is that altogether? It just went to sleep a little bit. 4 and 1 is
5.
So there were 3 blue, 2 spaces, and how many altogether?
5.
I think every time you said altogether, it's 5. Let's look. 2 with 3 spaces is 5. 4 and 1 is, there's 0, and if we could put
5. 5. 5.
You win that game. All right, then let's just do a quick game of slapjack, and you can head back. Patty whack, slapjack. All right, what do you want to slap today, mister?
1.
We've got 12, 14, 15, 4, and 5.
4 and 5.
You want to slap 4s and 5s?
Yeah.
All right, you better get them good then. You ready? Where's that one go? All right, what is that?
4.
And what is that?
5.
All right, now I'm going to lay them all out, and you're going to count the number 4s for me. Okay?
So, like, you're going to lay them out and see how many 4s there's.
Can you count each 4? Can you touch them? Touch them. How many? 1,
2. What is only, 3
Where's the other one?
right there.
Okay, can you count the 5s?
1, 2, 3,
Can you count the 15s?
1.
Oh, what's that?
1.
What's that?
1, 2, 3,
What's this?
15.
15. Okay, what other number is there? What's that one?
14.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 3.
And can you count what's left? What's this?
12.
Okay, can you count those?
1, 2, 3.
All right, my friend. Go pick yourself a
Now there's 3.
3 of each. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to mix it up now. It's kind of like a word search, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, can you go get a Starburst for yourself?
Sure. How many?
Well, you already had 1, so how about just 2 today? Now, don't get in trouble with Mrs. Klein. Oh, thank you. Don't get in trouble with Mrs. Klein for taking your,
What?
for getting Starbursts. Are you going to take a 2-pack? Awesome. All right, my sweet boy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.